Hey everyone, today let's look at igneous rocks in Oklahoma. Igneous rocks are rocks that are born from cooling magma, or lava if it erupts at the surface. Molten rock forms over 700 degrees Celsius, up to 1200 degrees Celsius. So we're talking plus 2000 degrees Fahrenheit of heat to melt a rock. But it happens underground because it's very hot down there. And so under our feet somewhere is molten rock, and that molten rock can move up in the crust and start to cool when it gets cooler. If it cools very slowly, we get igneous rocks that have very large crystals. This particular rock is called a granite. The type of rock that we get is very much controlled by not only how slowly the magma cools, but also what the chemistry of the magma is. Granites have a different chemistry from, say, dark-colored igneous rocks like basalt or gabbro. Granites have a series of minerals in them: quartz, this clear stuff, feldspar, this big blocky pink mineral, micas, and other minerals that actually cool at fairly low temperatures. And so it's sort of the last stuff to cool out of the magma. And we have quite a bit of this under our feet here in Oklahoma. It's kind of the foundation for the state. In places like Tishomingo in the Arbuckle Mountain area, you can see this very coarse-grained granite. It's very beautiful and used for building stone. But if we move down to the Wichita Mountains, we see granite as well, but it's very different. This granite is a red. It's a dark red, and you can't actually see easily the crystals within it. This is because this particular granite cooled faster. It has the same composition, types of minerals in it as other granites, but because it cooled faster, the crystals are very small, and they're too tiny for you to see with your eye. If we erupt this at the surface, we create a rock called a rhyolite. And a rhyolite is essentially the same chemistry of rock as a granite, but the little crystals are so tiny because they cool so fast during an eruption, we give it a different name.